So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to try to clean this really tarnished silverware. As you can see, it's in pretty bad shape. This is not true silver, it's silver plated, but I'm going to try to clean this using a method where they take 1 quart of water and they boil the water and they add in 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and you're going to add that mixture into an aluminum pan, and then you'll go ahead and dip the silverware in there and it should come out clean. So I'm going to boil 1 quart of water and put 1 tablespoon of baking soda. So I finished heating up the water, 1 quart of water, and then I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Okay, I put the hot mixture in there, and now I'm going to dip the silverware inside. So be careful, it's really hot. This is the first time I've done this, so I really don't know what the outcome is going to be, but we'll find out in a minute. I don't know how long it's supposed to be in here, but it does appear to be working. I'll tell you, the smell, it smells like sulfur, so I think it's working. I'll keep it in here a few more seconds and then I'll take it out and polish it up. Okay, it's been in there for about 3 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and take this out and then I'll just I have a clean cloth to polish it up. I can definitely tell something's happened. The water mixture is really dirty, so I guess it was taking that tarnish off of there. I'll show you the final result here in just a second. It's got to be real careful because the water's still hot. So I took this spoon out, the one that was really tarnished. You can see the tarnish is still on there. And I'm going to take this cloth and I think it'll just wipe off. So here's that 1 spoon, and it's not too bad. It looks pretty good. I'm pretty satisfied with the results here. I might have to maybe do this again. I'm not too sure. But if you look in here, so whatever chemical reaction was going on, it left that tarnish. You can see that aluminum foil is got that brown color on it. So there was, if you look at the back side, it looks new, and then on this side, that's where the chemical reaction took place. I think it worked pretty well. So the baking soda worked pretty well. I'm pretty impressed by the outcome of this. You can see that this was a really tarnished piece of silverware and that baking soda cleaned it up. I'm not saying that the baking soda did all the work. I did, after I took it out of the water, I did have to polish this up a little bit, but it didn't take very much effort to get the remaining tarnish off. So you might try that. Thanks for watching.